Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing some hats from Hat Club. I got about 7 joints right here, man. Plus, you know it's only right I give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned.
Hat Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
All right, and welcome back, man. So you already know the vibes. You know, we've been going crazy all 2022, and it's only right that I end the year with a bang. You feel me? Now, in this video, I got 7 hats from Hat Club. You feel me? Now, if you saw my last video, I did put you guys on the whole sales section. You feel me? And the special part about this video is every hat in this one was on sale, man. So I got 7 hats right here. And you know, we're not gonna waste no time, man, because that's a lot of hats and that's a lot of outfit ideas. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. We got the box, the first box number 1, man. Peel back gang, man. Got my trusty box cutter. We're gonna go ahead and slice it down the middle. Then we're gonna peel it back. We're gonna peel it back. Now, like I said, every hat I did get off the sales section, man. So let's go ahead and get it started. Here we go right here. First hat. This even got the sale tag. So this was probably in a store. I'm guessing this was in a store and it didn't come straight from like the warehouse or whatever. But you already know we taking that off. We taking that smooth off. But let me show you guys first. Right here, got the little sale sticker right here. Right here, we do have a Toronto's Blue Jays. And you know how I feel about the Blue Jays, man. They got one of the coldest logos. And they usually have some of the coldest colors, man. So right here, we do have that Toronto Blue Jays cool fashion joint. We got the red up top. We got that purple on the top. So this is a two-tone. On the side, we have a 25th anniversary side patch. You feel me? Go ahead and take a good look at this. And this is still on the website right now, going for the 25. As you can see right here, we do have the tag. And it says 24. Hopefully you can see it, but it says $24.98, and the original price on this joint was $55. So this is the time to get, you know, those hats that you might have been on the fence about, but for the sale you cannot go wrong with it, man. We got a gray brim, and you know, we get these hats to rock, or at least that's what I do. So you know, I got an outfit for every hat. You feel me? We got the Cooperstown collection, New Era flag, hat size 7 1/8. And this is made in China. We got a made in China right here. Let me go ahead and take this joint off. That was the pink lemonade, by the way. That was the pink lemonade. Let me throw this one on. Oh yeah, it feels good. Let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to the side. Give you some of that side patch shot. And let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now right here, I do have the Michelin Nest authentic joint. You feel me? Toronto Raptors. Vince Carter, you already know the vibes, man. I mean, this is a cool fit, and it's only right because it's cool fashion, you feel me? But yeah, you know, I always like to do my shopping, you know, with the opposite season. So like right now, I'm buying swimming trunks, you feel me? For summer of 23, I'm buying swimming trunks. I'm buying basketball jerseys. Like this is an outfit that I'm going to be wearing next summer, you feel me? But when you can get the hat for the low, then it's a go, you feel me? But let me go ahead and give you some more of that. Let me go ahead and turn to the side. Give you some more of that side patch shot. Now let's go ahead and get into the next box, man. So let's go ahead and do it. We got the next box right here. Let me go ahead and get my trusty box cutter. You know the vibes, man. We gotta go ahead and slice it down the middle. Then we're gonna go ahead and peel it back. Let's go ahead and peel it back. All right, man. Next box. Let's see what we got. Okay, now this is very interesting. Okay, so we got packing slip right here. Hold on. All right, we got the packing slip right here. Now right here we do have the good old JaeTips. You already know the vibes, man. Forever collection. Now, if you're subbed up to the channel and you saw my other videos, you probably like, Ace, you already got that hat. And I do. But shout out to my man, B. You see, this is really a community. This is really a family, man. My guy hit me up and let me know that my hat was defective, man. So look, this is where it came into play. So first off, go ahead and take a good look at this. This is a very nice Subway Series side patch right here with the flowers, which was the JaeTips design on this joint. You also get that forever right there. You got the deuces in that multicolor, you feel me? Got the multicolored deuces. Let's go ahead and take a quick, hopefully we get some focus on this joint. There it is. Yeah, you get them nice deuces. Get that nice Subway Series patch. Now this is what I was missing, man. This actually is the flat Batterman logo in orange. And just as a, just so you can see the difference, the one that I got, this is the one that I previously bought. Hopefully you can see, one has the flat Batterman, one has no Batterman. So my partner let me know that I had no Batterman on that joint. And so I hit up Hat Club. They said that I could exchange it. So I'm gonna go ahead and exchange it, man. So I'm gonna keep this new one with the flat Batterman. Now they didn't send another pin with this hat, so I'm gonna keep my pin from my original joint. You feel me? But you can't really go wrong. This is a very nice hat. I already did my outfit idea and what I would wear with this, but you know I got more stuff, so I'm gonna just throw something else on just so you can get another look. You feel me? But let me go ahead and take this one off. Let me put this one on. Oh, definitely a good fit. Where is this one made? This is a Bangladesh. Definitely like the fit on this one, man, because it's already kind of snug. And I like my hats on the more tight side of things, you feel me? But let me go ahead, turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot. Let me turn to this side, give you some of this side patch shot. And let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now right here, I do have a Ralph Lauren Polo double Technic hoodie on, you feel me? So I got the whole sweatsuit, but you feel me? You can't really go wrong when you got that green, how that green just kind of matches. And with the hat that stands out like this, you kind of want to go more on that plain Jane side. Like, I know I got my orange, I got my green, I got my pink from the pink bottom, but I don't want to put all of that on the shirt, you feel me? I'm going to just stick with the green. We're going to have a good, clean fit, you feel me? So let me go ahead and give you a little bit more of that side patch shot. Let me turn to this side, give you some of this side patch shot. Now, you know we ain't done yet, man. I ain't even cracked open the biggest box yet, man. So hold on. We got this look like a shoe box right here. So you know we got multiple hats in this joint, man. So yeah, we gonna keep the party going, man. Got the trusty box cutter. We're gonna go ahead and give it a good old slice down the middle. Peel back, gang. You know the vibes, man. We're gonna, oh, this is peel it back. Oh yeah, this got some stuff up in here, man. I ain't gonna lie. Peel it back, man. And like I said, all of my other joints, obviously this wasn't 25, but this is a $65 hat, you feel me? But everything else in this video is for 25 bucks. You can find it in the sales section. Hopefully they got your size, man, because yeah, it's going up, man. But let's go ahead and get into it. So we got pack and slip. And I did make this order all at the same time, but it did come in multiple boxes, you feel me? But yeah, let's go ahead, man. Here we go. We got a, let me go take this off. We got a Milwaukee Brewers right here, you know, fresh from the sales section, man. You feel me? Let's go ahead and take a good look at this. We got that navy up top. We got that green brim. So you already know it's a two-tone. I got it in size 7 1/8, which is my preferred size. Green button top. And I've always been a fan of this colorway for the Brewers. Let me go ahead and turn to the side. We have a 25th anniversary side patch right here. Let's go ahead and take a good look at that. Nice diamond shape. You get that blue, you also get that green, and you get a little bit of gold in that joint as well, man. So hat is looking very clean, and like I said, I did pick this up for the 25. We got a flat Batterman logo with that green. We got that gold on there. We have a gray bottom. Now, one thing that I will say, when you do your sales section shopping, you feel me, go ahead, first put your hat size in, so that way it'll filter all of the nonsense that you can't fit, you feel me? So you can only see stuff that's actually gonna fit your head, you feel me? So go to your size, filter into your size, and then just go crazy, you feel me? We got a good gray. This was originally 52 bucks, man. This was originally 52. And you know, sometimes you got to be patient with things, you feel me? I was patient with this hat and it paid off. We got an all-white sweatband. We do have the Cooperstown collection, new era flag and hat size, and this is made in China, you feel me? So yeah, this is one of those classics that will never go out of style, you feel me? Now you might have some stuff that's super trendy and then it kind of falls off. This one right here is what it is. It's a classic. So let me go ahead and take this one off. Let me go ahead and put this one on. Oh, we got a good fit alert. I can dig it already, man. Let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and give you some of that. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot. And let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now right here, I do have on a Huff. This is like a flannel jacket, you feel me? I did get this from one of my Thread Beast boxes. And if you haven't already seen my Thread Beast unboxing videos, make sure you go ahead and check those out. But I got this in, I mean, it's only right, man. You got that blue, you got that green. It's like a perfect match, man. So I really can't wait to rock this out somewhere, you feel me? Because, I mean, it's a good look, you feel me? The coordination is there, man. But let me go ahead and give you some more of this. Let me go ahead, turn to the side, give you some more of that side patch shot, man. And, I mean, let's go to the next hat, man. So right here, we have a Miami Heat right here. This is Miami Heat fitted, you feel me? 30th anniversary patch right here. And you already know the vibes, man. We got a flat NBA Jerry West logo right here. Looks kind of good. Hold on, let me get a little bit more focus on there. There we go. There we go. And this is a pink bottom. Now, I remember when they released this joint, and this was for 55 bucks. Let me go ahead, let you see some of that. We do have the $55 holla. And for 55, I'm like, nah, I'm straight. But for the 25, I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and give it a go. And I mean, this is my first basketball new era. Usually my basketball hats are Mitchell & Ness, because you feel me? I do Mitchell & Ness jerseys. Then I get the matching hat. But I mean, you know, you can't go wrong with a fitted, man. So let's see right here. We do have the NBA logo. We have the new era flag. We have the hat size. And this was made in Bangladesh. We got an all-white sweatband on this joint. And you feel me? Let's see what it do, man. You feel me? I'll take this joint off. Let me go ahead and put this one on. Oh, I like the fit already, man. Feeling good. Let me give you some of this. Let me turn to the side. Give you some of that side patch shot. Now let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now right here, you already know the vibes, man. Mitchell & Ness joint, you feel me? Miami Heat. This is the Shaq right here, you feel me? This is that, you see the championship patch, you feel me? This is that 06 year when him and D-Wade won that joint, you feel me? But I mean, it's a perfect combo, man. So let me give you some of this. Let me turn to that side, give you some of that side patch shot, and let's get to the next hat, man. We not stopping. We still got more to come, you feel me? Pause. Here we go. Next, we do have another NBA joint right here, man. We got the Chicago Bulls, man. Really nice bull right there. Now, this side patch is the 6 championships brought to you by, you already know, man, the one and only Michael Jordan, you feel me? We got the 6 trophies right here. Hold on, let me see if we can get some. There we go. There we go. Get some nice detail work right there. We do have that NBA logo right there in the back as well. This is also a pinky, man. This one was hitting for 55, but like I said, I'm getting everything 25 bucks, you feel me? So, I mean, you could look good for the low. Trust me, I know, you feel me? But let me go ahead and take this joint off, man. Let me put this one on. Actually, let's see where this one was made. This was another Bangladesh. So this is a Bangladesh, by the way. Let me go ahead and put this on. We got another good fit alert, nice and snug. Let me give you some of this. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot. Now let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now, you already know what time it is, man. We got the Mitchell & Ness Chicago Bulls pinstripe. Now, right here, this is the Scottie Pippen, you feel me? Scottie Too Hottie, you feel me? Shout out to the people that know who Scottie Too Hottie is, man. You feel me? The wrestling boys, you feel me? But anyway, man, this is a clean fit. You can't go wrong, you feel me? I'm getting my summer swag right now, you feel me? But let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to that side, give you some of that side patch shot. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to the next hat, man. We got 2 more hats, remember. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. You know I got more heat coming. I did pick up something from that shark tooth, the NFL shark tooth joint that they released, man. But yeah, I got more heat coming, man. Let's go ahead and get into the next hat. Right here, we do have a Cincinnati Reds joint right here, you feel me? We do have a nice all-star game side patch right here. Now, this is one of those ones that I like to call a classic, you feel me? When you get a good gray bottom and you get the team colors, you cannot go wrong. Like, this is one of the ones where 5 years from now, this hat's still gonna be some heat. Now, this one, it's still gonna be cool, you feel me? But this one, the originals never go out of style, you feel me? Gray bottom, it's a win-win. We got that white sweatband, flat Batterman logo, Cooperstown collection, new era flag, hat size, and this is made in China. Made in China, man. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me put this one on. Ooh, I like the fit. See, it's already giving me snug vibes, and like I said earlier, I like my hats kind of tight. And if you think about it, I mean, I wouldn't do this combo, but I mean, this combo does match, you feel me? But let me give you some of this. Let me turn to the side and give you some of that side patch shot, and let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now right here, you already know the vibes, man. It's like I'm really a jersey guy deep down, you feel me? Like, I'm a jersey dude. I've never really counted how many jerseys I have, but I have a grip, B. Let's just say that, man. But right here, we got the Cincinnati Reds joint, you feel me? Which clearly matches with the hat. And I mean, it's always reminding me of the Ken Griffey, you feel me? That era of the Cincinnati Reds. And you can't really go wrong with it, man. So let me go ahead, give you some of that. Let me turn to the side, give you some more of this side patch shot. And let's get on ahead into the next hat, man, because it don't stop, you feel me? So let's go. Next hat right here, we do have New York Mets right here, man. Very clean black colorway. We have the final season patch right here. Final season. Let's go ahead and get a good look at that, man. Nice big side patch. I am a fan of big side patches. I mean, this is like one of those classics. Like I said, you get that gray bottom, you feel me? Got the nice big side patch, flat Batterman logo. Can't go wrong, man. And when I was looking, like, everything was for the low. Everything is $25, man. But I mean, it's all about how you put it on, you feel me? So it could have been $5, it could be $25, it could be $55. How you put it on determines how it looks, man, you feel me? So yeah, let me go ahead and take this joint off right here. Let me go ahead and put this one on. Okay, hold on, wait. Let's see. We got, this one is made in China. We got an all white sweatband, FYI. Here we go. Let me give you some of this. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot, and let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat, man. So right here, we do have the Mets, you feel me? Throwback Michelin-esque, you feel me? Now, this is a batting practice jersey, so it's a little bit more on the lightweight side, man. But you can't go wrong with Mike Piazza, you feel me? The pizza, man. So yeah, man, it's just a good look. But let me go ahead and give you some more of this. Let me turn to the side, give you some more of that side patch shot. And yeah, man, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, tell me which hat you like best, which hat and jersey combo you like the best, you feel me? Because I mean, this episode was dang near the jersey episode. I think almost everything I put on had a jersey involved, man. But you feel me? Talk to me. You already know I talk back, man. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.